Hey, it's Akilah Mariah here, and today I'm going to be discussing showing love and positivity when someone else is showing you hate and negativity.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Akilah Mariah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower others to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm, so that way my video can reach more people. So this came about from the book The Love Dare that I recently got, and in this book there's a lot of verses, and this recent one that stood out to me was the 1 Thessalonians 5:15, and it says, "See that no one repays another with evil for evil, but always seek after that which is good for one another." That to me was, instead of showing hate or negativity, just show love and positivity instead. Because at the end of the day, you cannot fight fire with fire. And that is something that I am working on right now. So I don't want to make it seem as though I am really great at this. It is extremely difficult to me. So I wanted to bring it to you so that way you can notice it and be mindful of this as well. When you are delivering love to somebody that is delivering hate to you, the chances of a positive outcome are more likely, as opposed to if you are being mean to somebody who is being mean to you. So just do your best to not react to whatever they're saying or whatever they're doing, and take the time to breathe and respond with love and kindness. Now, like I said, this is not easy. At least it's not easy for me, but it is something to be mindful of, because could you imagine what kind of outcomes there could be if when somebody yelled at you, you calmly responded with love, or you just walked away from the situation? But if it's something that you need to respond to, then responding with love and positivity will make it to where you aren't just throwing negativity back and forth, and just now there's just like this big old thing of negativity. Whereas if somebody's throwing negativity to you and you're throwing positivity, then there's like a mixture, and maybe the negative will disperse. You never know. So do your best to not react, be mindful, so that way you can respond with more positivity and love. I really feel like this can make a huge difference in the world if most of us thought this way, but it's difficult. So I understand why we don't. We usually respond with whatever somebody's delivering to us. So if somebody's being rude to you, it might be really easy for you to respond quickly to them with whatever they're delivering to you. So like I said, just take a step back and breathe, and remind yourself to not fight fire with fire, but fight it with positivity and love. Patience is going to help you with this. So practice patience as well as practicing responding to negativity with positivity. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every time that I upload a new video. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you so much for your support. If you are looking for one-on-one coaching or group coaching, definitely check the link in the description below, so that way you can book your free connection call with me, and we will discuss what it is you're going through and how my program can help you reach your goals. I hope you have a positive, blessed day or night whenever you're watching this. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.